guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today is going to be all about my shower routine, my daily shower routine. I do this routine, a lot of these things I usually use at night. I don't use all of these products all at once all the time, but I just wanted to just share with the girls what it takes to have some soft, glowy, smelling good skin. Okay, first we start off with our water. I love me like a really hot shower, not too hot now. And for our body wash today, the Olay Deep Sea Salt and Coconut Body Wash has just been a staple. Like, it smells so good. I love that it has the sea salt exfoliating beads. It's just very moisturizing. It leaves my skin feeling so soft. And what I'm using as my washing tool of the day is actually a futi. It is a West African exfoliating net. It is similar to a loofah. I feel like the idea of loofah came from this. You know what I mean? I don't know if it did, but I think it did. But it is gentle enough to be used every single day, but yet it gets the job done of exfoliating your body. It just leaves my skin very glowy. I feel clean after using it, and it's antibacterial. Like, it won't get moldy or anything like that, so it's not something that you have to replace every 3 months or so. And what I love especially about it is that it is so long in length that I can grab it from both sides of my hands, as you guys can see, and get my back. You know how hard it is to wash your back sometimes. I love this. So I really take my time in the shower and just work everything in. Like, my shower is like my therapy session. It's when I wash away my whole entire day. I wash away all my problems, and I just get into my zen mode. Okay, so now let's just wash off our day. So now my next step is going into my body scrub. I love me a good body scrub, and this one is from Scoop of Sugar Natural Skincare on IG. I will definitely make sure to link their IG down below. I love this scrub. It makes my skin literally feel so amazing. It has brown sugar, sea salt, honey. It's a natural scrub, and it just melts right into my skin and just makes my skin feel so good, so clean. Literally, I just love taking care of my body. I feel like people forget that the same amount of time you put into your skin care or your hair care or whatever, put it into the biggest organ of on your body, which is your skin. And your skin is just not limited to your face. Your whole entire body deserves that tender, that extra loving care. Okay, that little TLC. It's just, I know the camera is not giving or doing it any justice, but I love this so much. So I will definitely make sure to link it down below. And then after that, we go into our Way body and scalp scrub. I love this as well. It's another sugar scrub. The scent for both of them is not very strong or anything, but this one does have a slight scent to it, and it is way more on the soapier side, so it does get a little foamy. But I just love this. If I use an exfoliant, I want it to be a natural exfoliant. It's great for the earth, and I love a multitasker. Okay, I could use this on my scalp. Listen. So I'm just working this in, and then soon I'll wash it off as well, and you guys are just going to be able to see how beautiful it has my skin looking. And do not forget to exfoliate under your arms. I get laser hair removal. Whether you shave, wax, or whatever, always exfoliate those intimate areas, because that's what also helps with keeping those intimate areas from getting dark. Do not forget any part of your body. All right, y'all, come on. Y'all see this glow that it's giving, okay? It looked like I just dipped my body in oil. This is why scrubs and like moisturizing scrubs are so important. I love it. So now we're gonna take that moisture and glow to the next step and put on this Olay body conditioner. I have been using a body conditioner for, I want to say, maybe over a year now, and it's probably one of the best things I've ever added into my shower routine. It just leaves my skin feeling so beautiful. And sometimes if I'm lazy and I don't want to like sit here and do a whole like moisturizing and all of that, I can honestly just put this on and then walk out and go to sleep, and I won't wake up ashy or dry. Like, it really moisturizes the skin, and I really make sure to work it into the skin because it acts as a pre-moisturizer for your body lotion or oils, whatever it is that you love to use, and it makes your skin smell amazing. Okay, so we cannot have glowy skin and forget about our feet. Our skin is not going to be glowy and soft and our feet is rough. Come on now, over here scratching you in your sleep. Not happening. So because I get gel, a lot of times I push my pedicures to a month when I really should just have it every 2 weeks. But this is usually like my time where I, every 2 weeks I make sure to like scrub my feet, my heels, and trust me, I get it way more better than this. It was really hard to do it on camera, but you guys get the gist of it. Make sure you exfoliate your feet, okay? It'll thank you later, and your man will too, okay? So I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek as well into my skincare routine. Like I said, we care about skin on this side, okay? No skin is left behind. And a lot of times I do not do my skincare routine in the shower. I actually do it outside of the shower because the water that I shower in is usually too hot for my face. And Dermalogica has just been a gem. It is something that I stand by. I recommend it to everybody. Like, it's gentle enough to be used on anyone's skin. Many estheticians and many like facial spa places use Dermalogica. It is a professional brand, but you can get it at Ulta or Sephora if you have never used it. They also have travel sizes, so you can definitely have like a little trial introduction to it. Their micro exfoliant, I think, is like the thing that really changed my skin and changed the texture of my skin as well, allowed there to be less texture on my skin, and it is gentle enough to be used every day. Very mindful of the pressure that you're washing your face with, because that's very important. I personally feel like my heart breaks every single time I see someone use a rag instead of a one-time disposable towel. My favorite to use is the Clean Skin Club clean towels, but you can use a Bounty tissue if you don't want to sit here and buy these. But I love these because they're biodegradable and they're so soft and gentle on the skin. I'm telling you guys, if you guys knew how much bacteria was on a rag, you would never put that on your face. Now for toners, if it's nighttime, I usually use the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA toner, but because I already exfoliated, I don't want to put all of that all at once. Sometimes I can, but a lot of times I don't. So I went in with the Dermalogica Multi-Active Toner, and trust me, this video is not sponsored by Dermalogica. I just really love their stuff. It really has done such a big transformation for my skin, and I really do stand by them. I believe in their brand, and I stand beside it, okay? I'm gonna stand beside them. So I went ahead and put on my Biolumin C serum, making sure to press that in, give it a second for it to like really settle it into the skin, and then I go in with the Power Bright moisturizer, which also has SPF 30. And please excuse my hair. I literally was in the process of washing it. I washed it while I was also recording this video, and I was about to do my hair, so please excuse it, okay? I know I look a mess right now, looking like a little rat's nest. Let's just look at the glowy face, okay? Now for my skincare, the body yaddy, okay? I love to use the Nivea cream and Palmer's cocoa butter oil, body oil together, because it leaves the most luminescent glow on the body and it smells amazing together, especially with like the body conditioner and all of that. Like all of those scents just work very, very well. And just look at the glow, you guys. Like I'm telling you, you will not regret this. And no, it's not super thick on the skin, but it does leave a glow, and the glow usually lasts for a very long time. But yes, y'all, I'm telling y'all, just follow my steps and you will not regret it. Like literally, you'll be laying in bed loving on yourself because that's how soft your skin is. All right, so that is the end of this video and my shower routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and probably learned some things that you were intrigued by and wanted to add to your cart to put into your own shower routine. I know for me, I'm about to go chill on my couch and watch a movie, and I just love to be in the house with silk on. The soft skin and the silk combination is just undefeated. Okay, so if you guys want like another shower routine for like date nights or more of an in-depth skincare routine, then please let me know that down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.